So the work we're doing here at Pinner Park School is a huge part of what makes ground control special. We promote biodiversity, we work on small-scale, large-scale projects to reintroduce variety in nature into every setting that we can. We're working with our friends at the Bumblebee Conservation Trust and the school to invite nature back into the pupils' lives and into their environment, and to increase their engagement, their ownership of the restoration and the promotion of nature here.
Here at Pinner Park Primary School, the Bumblebee Conservation Trust is working closely with Ground Control and our young ambassadors here to teach them all about bumblebees and how they can improve life for them by growing the right flowers in the right places and getting lots of biodiversity into their grounds.
Not many schools have a privilege like us because we have a large piece of land which helps with growing of trees, plants and flowers.
We want to inspire children to be the next generation of nature's custodians. We want to give them the tools and the education to be able to promote nature.
It involved digging patches of grassland and putting in multiple trees so that bees and other wildlife could thrive in our school.
So Ground Control have created three really great habitats here. First of all, the early flowering fruit trees and native trees, which provide lots of great food for the early emerging queens. We've got the wildflower meadow area there, which is providing lots of food for the worker bees in the summertime. And then the planters here, which again provide lots of food for bumblebees and bring that conservation work right into the classroom.
We're so grateful for everything that Ground Control has done. Together we came up with a project called The Big Dig, where we planted thousands of saplings, fruit trees and hedgerows. The children are so much more aware of what we have in our school and how to care for the creatures and the wildlife that we have here. They've been taking all this knowledge home as well, creating their own gardens and bug hotels to make sure that they're creating a wonderful environment for all the creatures and plants that we have around us.
So in the Big Dig, we planted loads of fruit trees to help us feed the bees and to feed ourselves as well.
The project we're engaged with here at Pinner Park School is a perfect example of how landowners can, with very small changes to their existing estate, that can have a huge effect on the biodiversity and the nature that they can promote in their premises.